Hello friends, my name is Shivam from Devops Schools and I will help you to enable your learning process in various technologies of DevOps, artificial intelligence, machine learning, big data and many more. This is our initiative to help you by sharing multiple tutorials and videos. And if you want any specific tutorials or any particular topic, then please do comment in the below comment section and I will help you with it. Also, please subscribe to our premium services on YouTube, which will give you access to more content and videos to enhance your knowledge about all these topics. Also, if you want me to help you with regards to the online trainings and classroom sessions by our qualified trainers, then please do write me at contact@devopsschool.com. Thank you.
Okay, so far you have understood clustered IP, which we were doing. That means clustered IP means creating a service, load balancer on pod network. But exactly what you are doing, node port means when you select the node port, then basically what it's doing, it's creating a service. Okay, understand that. Creating a service on a load balancer on port network. That's one thing. Plus exposed at node port. When you say node port, that means the port at node. I explained it to you already. Are you understanding my points or not? Guys?
So is it the difference is like when you use cluster IP, we have to externally map the port. Here we do not need an external mapping. The node port will be exposed. Is it?
Here, if you use the cluster IP, that will not be exposed as a node.
Yeah, so we have to map it with one IP.
So if you do this
Here it will be the port.
Yeah. And third one is load balancer. Create a service. This will be done plus this will be done plus this one also will be created. Map node port at external load balance. This will work only if you are on cloud. Okay. So if you are creating this one, this part will get into the pending stage, because if you are not in cloud, then it will not work. Okay. Did you understand this? So now I am doing nothing but I am showing you the magic. All these things initially I showed you through each and every small command, but not anymore. I am going to do everything in one go. So here, first thing I am going to deploy. So do we have a deployment? So kubectl deployment command I am having today, I think. So it should be there in the GitHub. Okay. So J4 and create deploy. So here guys, I have a deployment. Here one more thing I will teach you. So when you create a deployment from this, okay guys, look at my screen. So I create a deployment. So kubectl get a deploy, and you see here deploy here, and I want to scale it up. So scale. So here 5. So here 5. Okay. Now what is this kubectl get pods - show -labels labels. See that what is this labels app pod my dev. So now can I create one service for all these pods? This one? So yes. So you can use the create command also, but there is one more command actually. kubectl expose. See that expose -h, and here I am exposing. Okay, this command. So expose what? Deploy. what deploy? My deploy. You are exposing service port 8080, target port is 80 also. So I'm creating this time 80, or let's make it 8080, that's great. So target port 80. So this is I'm creating short way, this is a shortcut. Okay, see kubectl get svc, here this ID is created. What has happened, this command, what exactly it did, so taken a label from the pod and then set into the selector actually. So if you go here, call -http port number 8080, you see here. Now if you describe this kubectl describe svc, and you see here now I got all this pod and this series. So expose command will save some time actually. You should try. So that's the magic command. So here history, what I did so far, this command I'll put it in the same way, so you'll not get lost also. Okay, so now I did that one. So after this, what I have to do, I have to create a service with the expose port node. So node port is not exposed. If you see here, see here, type is equal to the my dep. So can I create a node port exposed with node port? So let's create a node port. So for that, I need help. Hyphen type node port. See here. Sample we have it. I'm just checking out. No, it is not. No problem. I will have it. So type and same command. Same command. Type and type is node port. So node port. And capital should be there. I'm just trying to copy paste because
Let us there itself.
where? It's here, no? Sometimes you don't look at, yeah. So yeah. So I created a node port. Type is equal to node port. Okay. So this is a node port. This is understand the node port means it will create this service also, but exposes the node port also. So can I use this and clear the screen and done. And you see the name is already there, so it did not create it, so no problem. Hyphen name is equal to node service svc. Okay, so now this one I'll
I had one question. What is the port and target port here?
yes. Now you see guys, node is this node port. This is a node port. This is a port and node. Port node, understand the node. Pod. Node network. Port network. Different. Okay. Now you see here target port is a container port. This is a service port. And now whenever you create a node port, there is a range actually 30,000 to 32 or 33,000, something like that. So in between there is a range. So now you want to access this. See, first I'll access this call HTTP inside the cluster I have the cluster IP. And IP address is here. Now if I want to access from outside 1109. Now I don't remember the oh, I remember the IP address also. I have IP address somewhere here. This is a node port. Any node of the cluster. Okay. 31109. And here. You see? I don't know which code I am accessing, but one of it. So guys, did you understand this? Did you understand this? Guys, are you there?
No, I was confused with this node port thing. Like, where did it get exposed?
What is that?
I did not understand this node port part. Like, what is the 8080 accessibility and 31109 accessibility? Like, where?
See, understand that node port means what? Create a service with the cluster IP plus that service, whatever it got created, that will get exposed at the node location. Same thing I explained it here. Service will be accessible on the node port. But to access from outside, that this service will get exposed at the node port, at each node. Okay. Now, you are having confusion with the port specification? No problem. Let me tell you this. So here, always this port is service port. This port is container port. And node port, you are not specifying it. Node port, exposed default. Got it? Understood?
Okay, but how can I access it from outside if I do not have a public IP?
If you see, that's what I told you. How can you access outside? Can you access this node? If yes, good. If you don't have IP address, I'll put it in this way. Think about it. You are in office. Can you hit to any IP address within your office?
Yes.
Yes. So what has happened in your office? There are 5 machines. Group it together and create a Kubernetes cluster. So how can you access the pod running inside that cluster? So you have to expose the node port. Did you understand that now? You are in office. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Yes or no? You tell me with a confidence. Anything.
Okay, yeah, I think I get it.
Sorry. Let me draw a picture for you. See, this is your office. Office is, when I say office, it's your cluster, data center. Okay? It's your office. So many machines are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 100, 1,000, 500 people are there. Out of which what you decided, few machines you want to dedicate it for cluster. So now inside that pod is running. If you want to access pod, can you access? No. Because cluster won't allow you. Because the pod is on pod network, you are in the node network. You can hit this. You can hit this. You cannot hit this. That's what I have been discussing. Are you getting it? Are you getting
Okay, yeah.
So
if
now,
it is cluster IP service, so I cannot access that outside of my node, right? Like outside of my Kubernetes cluster.
Right, yes. So if you want to access it, expose at the node port. Node port. Don't think it's a special word. Node port.
Yeah, I got it now.
Now
I can access it through the machine itself.
Yeah, but the third problem, I am outside. Now you are in office, I am outside, and you want to display this pod to me. So what you have to do? Then you have to attach this node port to the load balancer, which is exposed to the whole world. Load balancer means it can be your public IP address. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I got it now.
Yeah, wonderful. So guys, node port, and this is the node port. This is the command I run. Just type by the type. Now next command which I'm going to do is elastic load balancer. So let me copy from there because I have a habit of copying widely. Here, what is that? Load balancer type. Name LB. Okay, no, LB. Okay, name it. See here. So I told you external means everything plus this. So can I see that? Get access. See here. This is the load balancer, LB. So here you see, you got the clustered IP also. You get the exposure the node also. I told you, again recall this. So here I said, please understand this. Load balancer means it will create a service. That service exposed at a node port, and that node will be a part of the load balancer, external load balancer. But this will be not done in your case. In my case, I can get it done. No problem. So here, this is a pending. Why is pending? Because to create a load balancer at my cloud platform, it required access. I did not give access. What should I do? I'm going to create a manual node. Let me show you. Let me complete this. So here I am creating a load balancer. This is a paid service, so only demo is allowed. So just to complete my branch. I'm creating a load balancer on classic load balancer. Here, Raj. Okay, and 80 port number. What is the node port? Node port is 3189826, or I can use this one also. No problem. 31826. Node port. Are you getting my points? Guys, I'm getting. Yeah. Now, security group, no security group. Index HTML 2, 5, which are the node which is a part of the load bank. Manual setup I'm doing, but it can be automated also. All the machines of your cluster I selected. Review. Yeah. That's all. This command which I did manually, if you could have given access to AWS to your Kubernetes cluster, it could have been done on behalf of you. Same thing. Because this guy needs a node. This guy knows the node and everything could have done. All this. So yes, I did it. Let's go ahead and hit the load balancer. What's the load balancer? This is the load balancer. This is the A record. Okay. Now it's not coming. Why? Because health check has to be. So you see out of service. Just wait for the in service. It will automatically. So let me complete the.
Can you see what is the status of the service now? Like it is pending resource.
No, this is pending. This will be always pending. Why this is pending? Because it tried to create it, but this guy has no any external world access. AWS, Azure, don't have. So it always in it. Okay, but if you have the plugins and all, it will not be pending, because on behalf of the whatever I did manually, this command will do, and then it will tell you. See guys, in service now hit the. So see here, look at the image again. This is me hitting to the load balancer. Load balancer is sending to that no traffic. No traffic sending at the service IP address. Service is deciding the port. See that communication. Are you understanding the whole picture of it?
Yes.
But guys, this is not.
Now it's like if I hit this load balancer endpoint from my browser, it will work, right?
Yes, let me copy paste. I don't know your firewall policy, but it should work, I guess. If you're not a VPN, it should work for sure.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah. So now it's this one, but no one remember this long load balancer DNS name. Actually, remember www.something like that. So that I will do that. This is the last flow. So let me go to the Route 53. All these things you cannot do that without the cloud service. So you have to have a cloud and paid services. Probably you can use your organization cloud services. So you need to have a domain actually. So I have a few domains here registered. So I'm just thinking which domain to use. Now you will go here. Look at this. Create a record set. This is VER. Okay. So your domain is var Devops training.xyz. That's the domain. And where is your load balancer? Here it is. And simple. Okay. Now, anyone in the whole world, take some time to get it up. Anyone in the whole world who clicks on the domain var.devops DevOps training.xyz should be able to access my website. You're mapping the domain actually, DNS server. DNS probe finished. It takes some time. DNS entries take some time. So this is the one. Did you understand this now?
Yeah.
So now, if I'm hitting the subdomain, but if anyone would hit the, the real domain like www.xyz, most of the things we work on the subdomain only now. Don't work with the. Okay. So this is the whole picture. Now you see that whole picture. Remember that. I am the outside. I will talk to the domain. Domain sends to the load balancer external. Load balancer will balance one of the nodes. At a node port, they will redirect to the service. Service to the pod. Pod to the some other service, which is internal service, and for the data. So this is the whole story of accessibility. Did you understand that?
Yeah.
So guys, yes, now you can only enjoy up till the node port, because TLB will not work for you for sure. So go ahead and try it out and see how it helps you. I'm applying the day 5 and notes. You have a 25 minutes to try it out. One more thing guys, after the lunch break, we'll have a one post test. So that is important because L&D team require that post test to be done. So I will give you that test, and before that test I will cover the volumes also and role-based access also. Okay.
Please enroll our general membership for $399 plan to get access of all the parts.
Along with that, you can access our other tutorials such as Docker, Ansible, Jenkins, Terraform, Splunk, AWS, Azure, and various other DevOps related premium tutorials with our channel membership. If you would have any issues with our channel membership, you can drop an email to us at contact@devopsschool.com, or you can also unsubscribe from channel membership anytime if you don't want to continue or did not like the video. To get our channel membership, click onto the join button, select the $399 plan and grow your skills immensely. Please be kind enough to like it, and you can comment any of your doubts and queries. We will reply to them at the earliest. Thanks for watching.